Look, one of our key values at Hot Property is to be proactive over reactive. And when we started discussions, we definitely felt aligned in that sense. You guys can get on the roof, you can check it out, and there's damages that could be there that we don't know. It's the downstream effects are super beneficial to our team and to our clients. Look, property managers are very much, how much work is this going to create for me? And once we sat down and went through the process and how easy it was to communicate with your team, it made it very simple. I guess it's just looking through the lens of what's in the best interest of our clients. You know, is this going to create a great relationship with our clients, a stronger relationship with our clients? And is this genuinely going to add value? So it was very simple. It's an email out to select hail-affected areas within our database and within our property management tool to say, hey, you might have damage that we don't know about and you don't know about. Wouldn't it be great to know what that looks like? All you have to do is reply yes to this email. And that's all it was. I think if you want to be the agency or the agent that is the one that's constantly providing value to your clients, that's going the extra mile, that is more likely to get a 5-star review at the end of the process, you need to be doing more and more of the little things and the little 1%ers, because if you're not, you're going to get left behind.